Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change phone number on Twitter or X.com. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change phone number on X.com, go to your browser and browse X.com. And on left pane you will find more icon. Click on more icon, scroll down, and you will find the last option, settings and privacy. Click on settings on privacy, and under settings the first option is user account. Click on here, and then you will find account information. Click on account information. Here you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm, and here you will find the second option, phone. Click on phone, and you will find an option, update phone number. Just click on update phone number and change the phone number as you wish. This is the easiest way to change phone number on Twitter or X.com. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.